break from cleaning. I just got through cleaning the kitchen, and as soon as I'm done with my snack break with popsicle with some I forgot what it's called, but it's like a Mexican seasoning. After that, I'm gonna get up and do Miranda's hair because we have Easter church tomorrow, and right now she's still rocking a ponytail with 2 braids. Marcella is still asleep. She's been asleep for 3 hours. Long time, right, Maranda?
Yes, that's longer than she usually sleeps.
I mean, she has her moments, and I don't try to keep her on a schedule. I mean, when she want to sleep, I'm just gonna let her sleep. No point in fighting with her, because she's just gonna scream and scream and scream until she get what she wants. So she got the right mama.
A trophy all 5 eggs in the
So, I have to wake Marcella up. She was asleep for 4 hours. It's 7 o'clock. Say hi. Oh, what is that? Say hi, mommies. Hi, people. Hey. You hungry now? You hungry? Are you stretching? Yeah? I'm stretching, mommy. Mommy, I don't like it. Why you got this all on my hand, Mommy? I don't want it. I don't want it, Mommy. Nah. Say hi, guys. Hi. I'm good. Just a little oily. Oh, we are dressed, right? So can you clean up behind yourself, Mom? Please? And let me go play with my sister. Ugh. Okay, let's go see where your sister at. Where's your sister? Oh, I found your sister. You done eating? Was it good? Yeah. Okay.
What's Marcella doing?
I just got to get in a dress. For no reason. I probably should have did Miranda's hair before I woke up Marcella, but she was asleep for 4 hours. That is a long time, so I'm gonna hang out with Marcella a little bit, and then when she go to sleep again, then I would do Miranda's hair. Because we have to be pretty for Easter Sunday. But I was gonna do her hair, but I ended up working out because the only focus I have is to lose 16 pounds and do a lot of waist training and tone my legs and my arms, just to tone my body pretty much. Stay plus size. I'm 216 pounds, so yes.